Hi, everybody. My name is Niels van Ingen. I'm with Keepit, and I have the great pleasure to have Trent from Technology with me today.
Trent Widtfeldt, Chief of Engineering for the East.
Data intelligence in general, like what are some of the key problems you're solving there?
What's funny is that most of the data intelligence combos we have is actually helping our clients understand just how valuable their data is and going from, building it from there. But it just drives not only that protection layer, but driving that protection element, but also saying, hey, let's run some analytics on this and help you in your hospital environment to make sure we have the right number of beds, whatever the case may be.
And how does that, in context of that, like one of the things that obviously from a SaaS perspective we're seeing is we see this explosion of SaaS. And so what you get is basically you have all these repositories living all over the place, and then somehow you need to rationalize that and bring that together, not just from I wouldn't say data, it's not just about the data protection piece, but also from a risk perspective, and then ultimately getting to the right outcomes. So what do you do to sort of help customers sort of rationalize and bring this into a picture where, again, you can get to actually outcomes that customers are after?
So the conversations typically go, not just can I protect your data, but what are the efficiencies that I can gain from that protection? Right. From a target standpoint, where is it landing, right? Is it in the same ecosystem, which is a problem in itself, or is it secondary, and what can I do in that environment? And so, bringing it back to the Keepit side, that's why you all are such a huge part of our story is, we, especially in that data intelligence model, that data management, those different practices, those verticals, because now I can actually talk the full stack with one product set, right? So now it's like I can talk to my customer about one thing and it's going to involve an entire solution.
One of the other key sort of things that are happening is, because this is the other thing, like we're not necessarily talking about backup anymore, but we're talking more about cyber resilience. And it comes back to risk management, and cyber resilience actually is what customers are really solving for. So you also have a big cybersecurity practice.
Well, now you have ML ops type of conversations, and we're embedding our security into those conversations. So it's ML SecOps type conversations. But there shouldn't be, our guys and gals are perfectly comfortable having any level of security conversation regardless of the topic, because it should be embedded in everything. That governance, compliance, the risk management, all those different pieces, it should be embedded in every single topic.